Basic info. Model number, Oppo Mix. Status, coming soon. Release date, February 7, 2018. Price, expected retail price of Oppo Mix is $470. Colors, black, gold, rose gold. Body material, metal. Water and dust proof, no. SIM type, dual SIM. Technology, GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE. OS, Android 7.1.1, Nougat. Processing. Processor, octa-core, 4x2. 45 GHz Cryo 260 and 4x1. 9 GHz Cryo 260. Chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. GPU, Adreno 540. Memory. RAM, 6 GB. Storage, 64 GB. Card slot, micro SD, up to 256 GB. Display. Size, 5.5 inches. Type, IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. Resolution, 1080 by 1920 pixels. PPI, 401 ppi pixel density. Multi-touch, yes. Protection, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Camera. Primary, 16 megapixels f/1.7, DAF, face detection autofocus. Video, 2160p 30 fps. Flash, LED flash. Features, 0.5-inch sensor size, 1.0 micrometers pixel size and 0.5-inch sensor size, 1.12 micrometers pixel size, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama. Secondary, 16 megapixels, f/2.0, 1080p. Battery. LiPo. Capacity, 5000 mAh. Removable, non-removable. Fast charging, yes. Wireless charger, no. Network. 2G network, SIM1 and SIM2, dual SIM model only. 3G network. HSDPA. 4G network, LTE band. Speed. HSDPA, 42 Mbps, HSUPA, 5,76 Mbps, LTE, Cat4, 50 Mbps UL, 150 Mbps DL. GPRS. Yes. EDGE. Yes. Connectivity. WLAN. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth. Yes, V5.0. USB. Micro USB 2.0, C, type, USB on the go. GPS. Yes, with a GPS, GLONASS. NFC. Yes. Audio jack. 3.5mm jack. Others. Sensors. Fingerprint accelerometer, proximity, compass sensors. Radio. FM radio.
Subscribe my channel for more videos.